Meet the Realme Neo 7C, a gaming powerhouse that's setting new benchmarks. Built for gaming, this beast is the first phone with the Dimensity 8400 Max, delivering 3.25 GHz peak speed and Mali G720 GPU for ultra-smooth performance. Combined with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage, it's a dream for gamers. The 6.78-inch 1.5K display is a 120Hz LTPO panel with a 360Hz touch sampling rate and an insane 2600Hz instant touch response. It reaches 6000 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for outdoor use. Plus, AI eye protection keeps gaming sessions comfortable. To keep up with intense gaming, the 7700 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling ensures sustained high performance. While the GT performance engine enables zero latency frame interpolation, reaching 120 frames per second in open-world games. Capture the action with the 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor featuring OIS and 4K 60 frames per second video recording. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens adds versatility, and a 16-megapixel front camera ensures stunning selfies. Powering it all is a massive 7,000 mAh Titan battery with 80-watt fast charging, delivering 7.6 hours of gaming at 120 frames per second. It also supports bypass charging, reducing heat while gaming. The IP69, IP68 and IP66 rating makes it waterproof and dustproof, while crystal armor glass ensures drop resistance. Plus, it even supports glove and wet hand touch. Available in Blue Mecha, White-Winged Warrior and Dark Iron Knight, here are the price options. 8 GB plus 256 GB, 1,799 yuan, or about $248. 12 GB plus 256 GB, 1,899 yuan, or around $262. 12 GB plus 512 GB, 2,199 yuan, which is roughly $303. 16 GB plus 512 GB, 2,499 yuan, or about $344. The Realme Neo 7 SE is a gaming beast with next-gen performance, ultra-bright display, and flagship durability, all at a killer price. Is this your next gaming phone? Let us know.